Coverage, a key and operating word in the President's working agenda on healthcare. And this year, he has brought in access to essential healthcare services with the zero balance billing and Yakap ng Kalusugan programs and increased funding for PhilHealth to cover more diagnostics and treatment for serious illnesses and underlying conditions. Our Clazel Paradilla hashes over them to include expanded services in other sectors in this report.
Closer care, faster help, real relief, health services now within reach. In Bagong Pilipinas, a stronger healthcare system means healthier, more secure Filipinos. In line with President Marcos Jr.'s directive to speed up response and provide immediate care to patients in every corner of the country, the Philippine Charity Sweepstakes Office distributed ambulances to local government units. President Marcos also implemented zero balance billing, which covers patients' expenses in DOH-accredited hospitals. No more payments for wards, accommodation, surgery, or medicines.
Ito yung patuloy natin pag-inspeksyon at pagsiguro na yung ating programa na zero billing ay unang-una na nagagampanan ng lahat ng mga ating mga ospital, ating mga staff, ating mga doktor, ating mga nurse, lahat ng ating medical services ay naunawaan kung ano ba yung programa at kung paano makapag-avail ang mga pasyente.
Nagpapasalamat po ako na talagang hindi na po kami mag-isip pa kung saan-saan. Ang isipin po namin na yung pag-aalaga na lang po sa anak namin paglabas po namin.
Through the Yaman ng Kalusugan Program or Yakap with the support of PhilHealth, the Marcos administration has also made consultations, laboratory tests, and medicines free of charge at Yakap clinics.
Unang-una, nagpapasalamat ako sa ating mahal na Presidente for launching this program and for prioritizing yung health system dito sa ating bansa.
The transportation sector is also being addressed. The Pamilya Pass 1+3 was launched. Only one person pays, while 3 companions ride free every Sunday. A 50% discount on train fares was also implemented for senior citizens, students, and persons with disabilities.
Yung mga nasa save ko po is nagagamit ko po siya para po rin po sa pambili po ng mga kagamitan na rin po, or in case of emergency po, meron po akong extra funds para magamit po doon. Kaya po, nakakatulong po talaga yung 50% na po yun para sa akin bilang estudyante.
Travel is even faster now under President Marcos Jr.'s leadership. One RFID for all tollways is now a reality.
Ang reformang ito sa RFID system ay bahagi ng mas malawak nating layunin na gawing mas moderno, konektado at nakatuon sa pangangailangan ng bawat Pilipino ang ating infrastruktura.
Phase 3 and 4 of the Pasig Bigyang Buhay Muli Pasig River Urban Development Project have also been completed. The esplanade is wider and more beautiful, drawing tourists and boosting local businesses.
We are reminded that progress does not always mean building something new. Sometimes, progress means bringing something beautiful back to life.
Clazel Paradilla from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.